Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Windows 11 Pro taskbar and start menu for maximum productivity. So if you want to make Windows 11 Pro work for you instead of against you, in this video I'll show you how you can customize the taskbar and start menu to boost your productivity and make your workflow smoother than ever. But first, you need to make sure you are running in Windows 11 Pro and that it's fully updated, because some features we'll use are exclusive to the Pro versions, like group policy editor and deeper taskbar settings. So you can go to the setting first and click on the system, scroll down, click on about, and under the additions in here, you need to confirm that it says Windows 11 Pro. And you need to update if needed via settings, a Windows update. And here you can first resize icon. You can go to settings and find personalization, taskbar, and go to the taskbar behaviors. And here you can resize the taskbar size to small, medium, or large. And you can also align icons to the left if you want to. Still under the taskbar behavior, you can set the taskbar alignment to left if you want to, in this one's right here. And the taskbar will be on the left right here. And it's great for muscle memory from older Windows versions. And then you can also add or remove taskbar items. You can turn off unwanted features such as search, widgets, chats, or task view. And you can only keep what you use regularly. Next, you can also pin your productivity apps. You can right click on any app and then choose to pin in taskbar. For example, this one here, right here. And on the start menu optimization, you can pin essential apps. You can open the start menu and right click on the apps. And in here, you can just click on pin to start. You can also rearrange them by drag and drop, just like this. Or you can also group apps by purpose, such as work, creative, and communications. If you want to, you can also remove suggested or recommended items. You can go to the settings again and personalizations and click on start options in here. And you can choose or turn off the show recently added apps. Or you can also enable this one, show most used apps, and this one. So that's how you can transform your Windows 11 Pro setup into a productivity powerhouse. If you learned something new, you can drop a like, hit subscribe for more Windows 11 tips, and let me know in the comments. And don't forget to click on thanks. Bye.